Hello, people. I've realized off late I've been sitting and boring humanity with my. I think from the time I started my channel, I've been sitting and boring everyone. But uh, off late, too many of these book reviews can get very boring. So instead, I just have to say, yeah, I happened to see this trailer of Street Dancer 3, I think, or it is. It's starring Shraddha Kapoor and Varun Dhawan, and oh my God! I just saw the making of Street Dancer, and you realize the kind of effort that goes into something like that. Yeah, honestly, I'll be honest. Some of these dance films, we are like, oh my God, what is this? And we don't give it the like an action film probably has all. You can sense the kind of effort put in every frame of an action film like war, but Street Dancer, it took me by surprise. Yeah, it's like to coordinate. These old Hindi movies or Telugu movies in fact had all these group dances, and like in our school St. Anne's, we used to have these formations, like we had four houses: daffodils, pansies, roses, shamrocks. So we'd on our sports day drill displays would be all formations. So this is like Street Dancer is. I'm just looking forward to Shraddha Kapoor's movie. Yeah, it's releasing on Republic Day, and I think it has a India Pakistan angle, so that's interesting. But seriously, Street Dancer Shraddha Kapoor is awesome. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.